Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to check someone's Snap score without adding them. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Snapchat app and then go to your profile or to the person that you want to check their Snap score, okay? So for example, I just want to check this person's Snap score. So you just need to copy or memorize their ID so that you can type that later, okay? After that, you can now just go to your browser and search for social99.xyz. And then here you just need to verify yourself. So verify through survey. So just click that. So you just need to verify yourself so that you can proceed. So here you just need to So after you've done that, you can now go back to your social99.xyz and paste their ID, and there you can check their Snap score without adding them. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.